Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So the Google Pixel 6 could be on its way in October, and with it the possibility of the company's own in-house chip. During Alphabet's earnings call Tuesday, CEO Sundar Pichai noted that Google would show deep technology investments in its fall lineup. Google continues to remain one of the most successful companies in technology. Its search and advertising businesses have just helped the company to an excellent second half of 2021 result, grossing $55.5 billion in revenue, yielding a net profit of $18.5 billion in profit. However, its hardware businesses aren't anywhere near as successful as its core business endeavors. So Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai promised that its upcoming fall event will demonstrate Google's deep technology investments. Of course, the headlining hardware on show will be Google's new Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro models. These look to mark a return to premium hardware after cutting its lineup back to the mid-range Pixel 5 last year, which was fitted with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765G chipset. The Pixel 6 series is widely expected to debut Google's first customized ARM-based SoC developed in conjunction with Samsung, the GS101 Whitechapel. It's speculated that this could be a reference to Google's self-made chip, codenamed Whitechapel. Although Pichai didn't mention the Google Pixel 6 by name, he did refer to the company's fall line, which is rumored to include the upgraded Pixel. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. So the question remains whether Google will live up to the original's legacy with the release of the Pixel 6 or continue to disappoint its one-time fans. Until we catch an official glimpse of the rumored phone, based on speculation alone, we have a pretty good idea of when Google will release the Pixel 6. Google has unveiled a new Pixel phone in October every year since 2016, with the exception of last year's Pixel 5, which was announced September 30th. But 2020 was an exceptional year for many reasons, including phone release schedules. Google's Pixel release dates usually follow a similarly predictable pattern, putting phones for sale within a week or two of being announced. Thus, we'd expect to see the Pixel 6 both unveiled and released within the month of October. The chip shortage could throw a wrench in Google's plans, pushing the Pixel 6 release into November or later. But right now, we'd put our money on October. Cost is another aspect of the Pixel 6 that we haven't heard many whispers about yet. Last year's Pixel 5 made some compromises to get the launch price down to $699, making it more of a mid-range phone than its predecessors, the Pixel 3 and Pixel 4, which both launched at $799. Google Camera App Code suggested a possible 5x zoom option in the Pixel 6, which means its camera setup could include a periscope-style telephoto lens. If true, the Pixel SX's optical zoom capability would be on par with Samsung's Galaxy S20 Ultra. That is all for now guys. Once I have the latest leaks I will share with you guys, without being said, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.